Hello everyone, so welcome to today's video. We are doing a haul. I haven't done one in a while, and I recently picked up a few things at Ulta, and then I also did pick up some skincare things that I have here on the side on my vanity here in my bathroom that I picked up during the VIB sale that Sephora recently just had, which was kind of a surprise, but I did plan ahead, and I had all of my stuff in the cart that I wanted to purchase. And then I just waited for the sale to start, and then I just hit Apple Pay and done. Last week has been very, very crazy, or was crazy. It was back to school, so that is why there wasn't a video, and I talked about this just briefly over on Snapchat a few days ago. It's been kind of an adjustment with my son going back to school. He's in first grade now, and I just can't even believe it. Time is flying, and then it's not just getting him ready in the mornings and packing his lunch and doing his breakfast and things like that and getting him ready to go and leave the house, but I also have to take care of my daughter, change her, feed her, because if she does not get fed, she will scream all the way to the school and all the way back home, and that wouldn't be right for her, and that wouldn't be fair either. So I do have to get up early and still kind of get up through the night and do my night feedings with my daughter and change her, all that stuff that comes with having a small little baby. So it was an adjustment, and I felt like I was in zombie mode because I haven't really slept very well, and I haven't been sleeping so great lately. So I feel like I was just so tired that I just could not muster up the energy to do videos. And I apologize for not having a video last week, but I am back and I'm doing videos, and I'm hoping to continue doing videos at least once a week. So you're here for the haul, right? So I went and I purchased a few skincare things that I had my eye on, a brand that I wanted to explore more with because I tried something previously in the brand that I really liked, so we'll get into that. And then a couple of drugstore things. I'm going to sprinkle in a little Ulta haul as well in here. So let's get started with the skincare. So the first skincare item that I got is the OleHenriksen Power Duo. Looks like this. This is the Goodnight Glow, the Retinol Alternative Sleeping Cream, and also the face serum, the power serum, so the day and the night. And it's, I believe these are full sizes. This was $72, and then of course 15% off of that. Each of these, I think it's $55 or $58 a piece, so I feel like it was a really good value. So as some of you may know, I recently had a baby. She's going to be 4 months old, or will be by the time this video goes up, and I can't use retinols or the prescription Retin-A that I was using for many, many years previously. And I wanted to find something that was anti-aging without retinols. And this has a retinol alternative that is more of like a botanical ingredient that gives you the same results or similar results on the skin as retinols or like your vitamin A without actually being an actual retinol product or related to the retinol family of ingredients. So I feel like this would be a good thing for me to use, being that I am breastfeeding exclusively. So I am really careful with things, and I didn't want to use any retinol products because those are just a no-go when you're pregnant, and also when you're breastfeeding. It's good to stay away from those things unless, you know, a doctor says it's okay. I'm not going to go to my OBGYN and be like, can I use this? I'm just going to kind of try and see what my skin does, but because it's not an actual retinol, I think I'll be okay. So it has some ingredient, and I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm going to put it right here on the screen, and that's supposed to be a natural alternative to retinol. So this set is going to retexturize and refine skin for a fresher, more youthful looking glow. So I'm excited about it. I have not tried it. I think there's some AHAs in here as well, so it says sunburn alert on the back. So I'm really excited. I got the day serum and the night, and so we'll see how this works. The next one is another kit that I wanted to try, like more in that brand. It's the Dr.Roebuck, and that's an Australian skincare brand. And this is what the box looks like. Got some minis in it. And I had tried the No Worries moisturizer. I was right around 20 weeks pregnant, so that was during the holidays last year. And I really liked it, so I wanted to revisit that and see how my skin likes it now, because pregnancy does change your skin, and I'm sort of going through the postpartum recovery. It's been 4 months, so I feel like I am already recovered, but I wanted to see how my skin would react to using that moisturizer, and I thought this was a really good set. And it comes with the moisturizer, which is the No Worries, has hyaluronic acid, macadamia oil, and vitamin E. So that's the little size there. And I think that's a good size. It's 15 mils. So enough for me to try it and see if I actually like it again with my skin now. Because I know with my skin when I was pregnant, it was dry. And this was a really good moisturizer. And I talked about it in an empties video. And then you also get in here the, is this the Byron? Yeah, the Byron 2-in-1 mask and scrub. So it's got jojoba, kaolin, and peppermint. So again, another way for me to try something else from the brand. And then the last thing in this set, which I think is a really great size, is the hydrating mist, the Bondi, that's how you pronounce it? Hydrating mist with kakadu plum, cucumber, and vitamin B3. So it's a mist that I could use after cleansing as a toner. I can use it randomly throughout the day, before makeup, after makeup. So I think it's really cool. Another thing from that brand, the Dr.Roebuck, that I got is the Down Under Collagen Boosting Eye Treatment. So it's an eye cream that has coconut oil, amino acids, and caffeine to brighten smooth fine lines and wrinkles and depuff with the caffeine in it. And it's a vegan formula, and it says no bunnies were harmed in the making of this product. You guys know bunnies, that's real near and dear to my heart because I have 2 real bunnies. And so it's really nice to use brands that do not test on animals. And this is skincare made in Australia, so I will show you. The packaging on this came like really messed up and like weird. I don't know if it's from shipping or what exactly, but again, it's that white jar. You guys know I don't really care for jar formulas or jar packaging for eye creams, but I have like a little Tatcha tool that I could use to get a little bit out. So that's what it looks like. I like the black and white with a bit of gold on it. I think it looks quite nice to leave it out on my vanity, and I hope this is good. We'll see. Keep you posted. Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in the Nude Glow. So a really good size. So I used 100 points for that. And you can wear it alone, layer it with your favorite foundation. Can also be used on the neck and décolleté. So super excited for a nice kind of glow. I don't know. Whoa. Okay. Just bust it out. I think it's just because of the altitude here in Colorado, so I feel like I got way too much, and that's going to waste all this product. It smells like an orange creamsicle. Oh, that's nice. Okay. And the glow, it's just really, really light. It's not like a highlighter glow. Like, I feel like this is really nice. And it just makes my skin, look at the difference between this hand that has it and this hand that doesn't. This is blah, and this is like, ooh, yes, refreshed. I'm excited about that. I'm going to try that probably under my foundation, maybe a little bit on my face when I'm not wearing any makeup on, and then just kind of have that nice youthful glow. Hopefully these products give me that youthful glow and that kind of bounce back after having a baby and going through pregnancy and those crazy hormones and kind of mellowing back out. I hope that these products work. So let's get on to the Ulta things. The Ulta stuff is all drugstore. I didn't buy anything super expensive at Ulta just because I wanted to try a couple things. Okay, so the first thing is the Real Techniques came out with a microfiber sponge, which I use the regular one, and mine has a little bit of a tear. I don't know, I just feel like lately they've been tearing a lot faster, or maybe I'm just really rough on them. So I wanted to try this. This is for maximum powder pickup. It says you can use it dry or you can use it damp with powders. But here's where I'm going with this. I feel like this might actually be really good for foundation because that microfiber, I don't know, like I'm thinking maybe smoother application. Maybe it's going to be horrible for liquids and creams. Maybe it's designed for its purpose of powder, but we'll find out. We'll probably test this out together. But hopefully the camera will focus. Come on, camera. You're probably not going to see it with the lighting here with the sun, but it's kind of like a fuzzy sponge, which is kind of weird. I wonder what that's going to feel like. So I went in, oh, and I picked up the Maybelline, the Rocket Volume Mascara. I did a video on that. So stay tuned because that, if it's not already up, was a fun video to do, and you'll see why. And I kind of made fun of myself a little bit in that video because we took it way, way back. Like, we took it 6 years back. That's a little teaser. If the video is not up, if it is, I will link it above. If not, it's the next one coming. All right, so then I picked up 2 eyeliner pencils, the NYX Slide On Glide On Stay On, definitely a turn on, waterproof extreme shine eyeliner. That's such a long name. I got it in black and the dark brown, what is it called? I can't even see it. Brown Perfection. And then the black is just jet black because I wanted to get the Urban Decay 24/7 pencil liners. And I thought, you know what, do I really want to spend that much on an eyeliner that I'm not going to use every single day? So I went to the drugstore. And all my OG followers, if you're out there, let me know. Do you remember when these were my jam? I had every single color in this formula and also in the 24/7 ones from Urban Decay. And I talked about how these are an exact dupe for those. And they're a fraction of the cost. I think they were like $8 maybe. I don't know, 8, maybe less than that. And the ones from Urban Decay are obviously double that, if not more. So we are going to revisit this, kind of make fun of ourselves, going back to probably a good 6 years back with these too. So I'm going to find that video that I talked about these years ago, and we're going to revisit and see if these are any good. And we're going to try it in a video together. And who knows, they might actually be really good because it's been years since I've used those. So along the lines with some drugstore things, I picked up the NYX lip liner in the shade Mauve. I have the, what is it from Charlotte Tilbury? What is the Pillow Talk? The Pillow Talk, that's my go-to everyday kind of lip liner that I love and swear by. It's a really, really great formula, but I wanted something just a hair deeper since we are kind of transitioning into the fall months very soon. In Colorado, it's going to get cooler and colder before anywhere else, and so I feel like it's around the corner at those cool months, and I feel like this kind of mauve shade would be really nice. Today I just have a lip balm on because, you know, I'm just hanging around the house. So I'm going to try this out and see. I remember really loving these as well. These used to be my jam, and the one that I remember to this day was Peekaboo Neutral, which was one that I used in so many tutorials a good 5, 6, 7, maybe 7 years ago, and that was like it for me. So I don't know if they had that one or if they even make it. So if they do, I think I might try that one too, but I'm going to stick with Mauve for now. And my last thing that I picked up was the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. I've heard a lot of good things about this over the years, and I wanted to try it. It's been on my list of things to try. It says a mineral-based formula to control shine and smooth skin's texture. I got it in the shade 10 Fair Light, and I feel like that's pretty good color. I think this is going to be like a translucent, well, it has lightweight translucent coverage. So it is a translucent powder with a little bit of a tint, so it's not like your typical white translucent powder, which I think works better. Honestly, in my opinion, tinted ones that match your skin tone, because I feel like it looks more flawless on the skin, especially over foundation. So I'm going to give this a try and see if this is actually worth the hype. I don't know. The girl at the checkout at Ulta says she loves using this for baking. I don't bake. I bake cookies, but I don't bake my face. So there's that. And that is it. I did try some new brow stuff from the drugstore that's tinted, like a brow mascara thing. Kind of on the fence about it, so I will be trying it more and then reporting back to you guys, and that's why I'm not going to include it in this video, because I did already try it and I'm already starting to formulate my opinions on it. These are things that I have yet to try and open. Some of these like old school favorites, the liner, the mascara, the lip liner. I'm excited about these things. So stay tuned for reviews on the skincare stuff and just kind of sharing with you guys my thoughts on them. I will be most likely sharing some things along the way through Insta stories and Snapchat. That's the best way to kind of tune in, because my life is a little crazy, having a little 4-month-old and an almost 7-year-old. And that is the best way for me to connect with you guys on a regular basis. Pretty regularly, I would say just about every day I'm posting something. I know it's a lot about my daughter because she's so freaking cute, and I can't help it. I'm just gushing over my daughter because she is perfection in every sense of the word. I am so lucky. So anyways, that is it. That is everything for today's haul video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you shopped the VIB sale, or if you're a Rouge member, let me know in the comments what you got. I'm curious. I wish we could have gone shopping together, but share in the comments what you got or what you're looking forward to getting during the next sale, because I'm pretty sure they're going to do it in November again, like they always do. And so I'm going to start getting my little list ready of things that I want to try, so that when that 20% comes, mama's ready. So thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, share it with someone that you know will enjoy it. Tune in to social media, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. It's here on the screen. I'll see you there. See you in my next video. Take care, you guys. Have a fabulous day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.